Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 12, leçon C. And in this lesson, we will see les prefixes de verbs. So remember these little letters that you can put at the beginning of existing words, or in that case, it will be verbs. And by adding these little letters, you will modify the original meaning of the word. And in this lesson, we'll work on le préfixe D, okay? And you'll see because, well, quite often I've been having some students that asked me, how do you translate in French, or is there a way to make this un that exists in English? So like do, undo, okay? And then the answer is yes. Actually, we've got this prefix D, okay? So it will actually be, well, the same. I mean, the use will be the same as in English, this un, or as well there is this for some verbs. So it will be exactly the same thing, okay? We've got this D, okay? Keep in mind that we will see in the next lesson, so it will be unit 12, lesson D. We've got the option of D accent aigu S, and we will see that so in the next lesson, but in this lesson we'll only focus on the D. Okay, so let's take an example now. We've got brancher, okay, and then débrancher. All right, so it's actually quite easy. You just put this D in front of the verb and then brancher. Brancher, débrancher. Centraliser, décentraliser. Okay, centraliser, and then it will become décentraliser. Charger, décharger. Okay, so charger and then décharger. Coiffer, décoiffer. All right, so coiffer, and then you put this D, and after the verb, décoiffer. Coller, décoller. Okay, so coller, and then it will become décoller. Commander will become décommander. Okay, so commander will become décommander. Composer, décomposer. All right, so composer will become décomposer. Conseiller will become déconseiller. All right, so conseiller, déconseiller. Couvrir will become découvrir. Okay, so couvrir, découvrir. Faire will become défaire. Okay, so faire, défaire. Former, déformer. All right, so former, déformer. Placer will become déplacer. Placer, déplacer. Plaire, déplaire. Plaire will become déplaire. Ranger, déranger. Okay, so ranger, déranger. And that's it. So keep in mind that, of course, it doesn't apply to all the verbs, because in some cases it's not possible to modify the original verbs, okay? But then, well, this is quite useful because, as you can see, it's not that difficult, and then you could use these verbs quite often, okay? If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, and then like me on Facebook, facebook.com/imagier.net, and you can find a lot of things at the following address, www.imagier.net. agier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.